All last weekend was, how do we put this, a bit unsettled?
Just a bit unsettled. Yeah, all the rain we had with the mountain snows on Sunday, and now by comparison it's just blue skies and sunshine out there. But this is a great time-lapse video. It goes to show we've been talking about a weak disturbance yesterday that was going to be moving through the central mountains of Idaho, and with it we see a few showers. There you can see that there was a little scattering of showers. Now as that disturbance continues to slide by to the north, what it's going to do, and it's going to generate a gust front right behind it. So here's what's happening with the Doppler radar. Here's the shower activity they had in and around the central mountains, but we'll look at this line of thunderstorms taking place just to the north and to the west of Ontario, Nissa and Fruitland. Here we are right there. There's Midvale right there. There's Huntington. There is Ontario right there. Look at that line of showers and storms. In fact, it looks like it's moving into Ontario as we speak. So it's possible that some of this shower activity is going to be dragging by the west end of the Treasure Valley. And as it moves on through, do not be surprised, folks, if we see some gusty winds out of the northwest behind this feature later on this evening. It could kick up some dust. I don't expect to see much in the way of shower activity throughout much of the Treasure Valley, but you folks around the west end, out here towards Middleton, New Plymouth, and around Nissa and Parma, you might get some of these showers and isolated storms moving on through very quickly. 82 degrees, that's been the high temperature so far today. There's the average, 91. So we're still below the average, but those numbers are gradually going to be on the increase over the next few days. And the reason for that is the flow over the next few days is gradually going to start turning and coming in more from the Pacific Ocean. We call this a zonal or a westerly flow. And when we get these westerly flows, that equates to a nice, dry, and a very pleasant weather pattern. This westerly flow is going to be in place for the next 5 to 7 days. So near normal temperature readings by Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We'll see highs right around 90 degrees, which is, as you know, where we're supposed to be, and lots of sunshine, which will continue all the way through the weekend. So this evening, here goes disturbance. It's sliding by to the north. Again, we may see some gusty winds here in the Treasure Valley, maybe a few showers around the west end, but then tomorrow it's going to be spectacular. Let's advance the computer model now and take you into Thursday, and there you can see there's the influence of that nice, dry, stable air coming in from the Pacific Ocean. It's going to be impacting much of the northwestern down into the Great Basin and throughout much of the western states. It's just going to be a great weekend. 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley, about 84 degrees, just a touch cooler tomorrow because of this weak disturbance passing by to the north tonight. And then on Thursday, that's when we kick it up to near 90 degrees. Friday, 90. Saturday and Sunday, temperatures hovering very close to 90 degrees. But look at that sunshine for the next 5 to 7 days. The mountains will be seeing a lot of sunshine after a scattering of showers here this evening. And then as we get into the weekend, sunny and mid-70s. I'd say that's darn near perfect.
Sounds good.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Okay.
Let's take a look at